How to add nickname on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add nickname on VK. First open your VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and once you're here click these 3 points and then click edit profile and scroll all the way down and click personal info. And here all you need to do, just here we'll find that nickname, just click on it and add any nickname you want here and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.